Guys, this is Cyril Gupta, the best friend in your business, and today I'm in Ceylon, Sri Lanka, Colombo. This is the capital of Sri Lanka. It's a small but beautiful city, and it's a beautiful island. You can see the Indian Ocean behind me. But today we are not going to talk a lot about Sri Lanka, though I have a lot to tell you. But instead, let's talk about this new app that's just hitting the market. It's called Workforce AI, and it's one of those multi AI, multi model apps that can pretty much do everything that AI can. It can be your marketing assistant, be your business assistant. It can create content, it can create videos, it can create images. Pretty much the entire capability that AI has is in this app. And I'm going to take it for a drive right in front of you so that you can see it and decide for yourself whether it is something that you want to own. So stay with me for just a minute more. But before we go and check it out, I want to remind you that if you like it, you got to pick it up from my link, because not only will I give you great bonuses, applications that you can really use in your business, but also Technique Force rewards, and you can use these reward points to claim my software absolutely free of cost. So now let's go and take a look at Workforce AI.
All right, guys. So I'm inside of Workforce AI right now, and you can see it's got all these options on the sidebar. There's a lot going on in here because this is a multi AI, multimodal, multifunctional app. Yeah, it does everything in multiple ways, and it can pretty much do everything that AI can. So you've got AI templates right in the beginning, then you've got AI article writer, then you've got a article rewriter, so you can rewrite content, you can create images, you can also make videos, do voiceovers, and the AI can actually analyze objects using AI vision. You can chat with files, you can chat with websites, like, pick up some website content and ask questions about it. You can convert RSS feeds into articles, and you can upload an image and ask questions about it. There is a coding system, and there are lots of other things like voice isolator. So this can clean up any audio. And of course, you have the reseller plan. So I'm going to go one by one into each function and show you what it does. First thing, let's click on AI templates. So now on the sidebar, you can see a lot of different things that you can create with AI, things like headlines, clickbait titles, conclusions, blog intros, blog ideas, product titles, product benefits, email lines, and brand name, song lyrics, Instagram hashtag, like lots of things over here, right? So let's try something. Let's try one of these. Yeah. I'm going to just go back now, all templates one more time. Hmm. Let's try some clickbait titles. So you have some options. You can either work with GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. Now I don't have the access to show it to you, but the product claims that it has got more AIs too. Unfortunately, my test account does not have it. I have the free plan, so I can't show it to you. But if I had the subscription plan, I think it has got GPT-4T, GPT-4, GPT-4T, T stands for turbo, by the way, GPT-4 mini, GPT 3.5, and you've got cloud models, you've got Gemini. All of these models are here, but I can't show them to you. I can only show you GPT 3.5 and GPT-4. So let's put in a description to the product. By the way, you do have multiple languages. You have a writing tone. It's all about clickbait, so I think the writing tone will be interesting. Let me put in a product description. The usual thing, yeah, a plant growth supplement that turns tomatoes into huge tomatoes. Click on generate. Let's see what this clickbait titles function comes up with. Revolutionize your tomato garden with this powerful plant growth. Grow gigantic tomatoes. Boost your harvest with top-rated tomato growth supplement. Um, I'm not sure if there's clickbaiting headlines, but they are headlines. I would want them to be more clickbaity, honestly. All right, let's go and continue looking at the app. The second thing is AI article wizard. You can create an AI article with it. Okay, a plant growth supplement called Tomatola that boosts tomatoes growth and yields 30% better harvest. So Article AI, number of topics, 3, okay, maximum topic words. I think it's only gonna generate the topics, right? Let's see what happens. It says generate keywords. So I guess this part will generate the keywords. Now you've got these keywords, tomato growth, supplement boost, all these things. I'm just gonna choose some, then click on generate ideas, I suppose. Boost tomato growth with tomato supplement, increase your harvest with tomatola, tomatola the ultimate tomato supplement. So these are the three different headlines that you got. If you want to change anything, I suppose you can, though I don't see a, okay, so you can change, you cannot modify the articles, but if you want to generate new ideas, you could do that. So next step, you can create outlines. So I'm gonna just click on this, still happening. So now we have the outlines. There are three different distinct set of articles. Preparing your soil for planting with a Metola, watering and fertilizing schedule, understanding the importance of tomato supplements, key features. I think I'll go for this one. Click on next tab. You got the outline over here. Then you have talking points per outline, and you can also choose how many words you want per talking point. I'm not sure if the right options are already calibrated, but let's find out. Okay, so these are the talking points, and in the next step, okay, so it can actually even create an image, yeah, for the article, of course. Tomatoes, giant tomatoes. Generate image. So you got an image list. It says for, I'm not sure if it came through. I'm gonna skip this, step, and now you're generating the article. You can see the articles coming together. So this is the entire article that the article wizard wrote. Then in documents, you have all the documents that you have created, I think, yeah, all my documents. So there was an article over here that is just there. And in all images, I think I can see all the images that I created. Did I create any yet? I'm not so sure, but we'll find out. All right, I don't see any images yet. So let's move on because we don't have voiceovers and other things yet. We have not started with them. Now let's check out the AI rewriter. So I gotta put in an article to rewrite. Give me a moment while I get one. Here I have the article. Just picked up something from the internet about tomatoes. And I can select what AI I want to use. So I'll go for GPT 3.5. You can select the creativity level. You can select the tone. I'll go for convincing. Point of view, first person, second person. Okay, second person, number of results, one. Click on rewrite. Let's see what happens. Check this out. Are you new to growing tomatoes and looking for some guidance? Tomatoes are a popular choice for home gardens due to delicious taste and blah. Proper care and maintenance of tomato plants are essential for a bountiful harvest. So total 312 words. That's the article that's been written. And I can call it something. I can save it. I can download it or save it, right? So I'll just click on save. Next, AI images. Okay, let's go straight to AI images. Okay, describe what you want to see. Create a giant plant with giant tomatoes, red and ripe. Okay, let's see what it creates. Click on generate. By the way, on the right side, you can see the options. You've got DALI, DALI 3, DALI 2, Stable Diffusion, Stable Diffusion 3, STXL, Flux, Flux Pro, Flux Realism, Mid Journey. I think, okay, so this is the image. It's not red and ripe tomatoes, but they're giant because this is what DALI does. I'm not impressed by DALI, DALI, OpenAI, DALI is not that great. But Flux, I think, is pretty good. So I'm going to now create the same thing with Flux. You can also choose the resolution of the image. You can choose the image style. There are some different styles over here, right? You can choose the lighting, the The medium. Okay, so this is the material that the image will use. Glass, no, not glass. I would go for ink. The mood of the image, angry, aggressive, boring. And if you want to put in a specific artist style, you can choose that. Click on generate. Let's see what happens. I'm using Flux Pro this time. This is more like it, right? Don't you think so? Check this image out. Definitely better. Next, you have AI videos, text to video. Perfect. So I think I have access now, which is great. So you've got all these different AIs, Kling, Hyper, Minimax, Mochi, Luma, Hunyan. Choose anyone. Okay, and you can choose how many seconds. What is the aspect ratio of the image? So young tiger leaping into a cave. Okay, maybe we can call it a cub, a tiger cub. Let's see. Click on generate. We'll wait for it. I think this might take a little while to produce. Okay, so it's still in processing. We'll just come back a little bit later and check it. Then you have AI avatar. Let's see what that does. AI avatar. You have image avatar, video avatars, AI voice, and uploads. Produce studio quality videos in 175 languages without camera or crew. So this is how you can generate video avatars. Yeah, that sounds interesting. I'll go for image avatars first. I want to take a look at what that is. So you can see these are all the images available to me. People who can talk. Honestly, this guy looks a little bit like Trump. Yeah, do you think so too? Not sure. Okay. Wow. Very interesting. So it's the same character though, but I'm sure there are like bunches of these images that you can use. All right, so kind of. Okay, so that's one option. You have many different poses, but it's the same person here. Okay, it's the same person. I'm not sure if I want to make a video with this guy. So let's go to video avatars. So let's see what's happening over there. So you've got characters as far as I can see, Abigail, Adriana, Aiko, lots of different characters in here. And I suppose they can do spokesperson videos. That's exactly what it looks like. So let's go for Chloe. Chloe, let's try that. So there are different poses of Chloe, and let's try this.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen.
Okay, so it uses HeyGen, it seems. But how can I use Chloe to make my voice video?
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen.
Okay, I don't know how I can use this to make my own video though. Am I missing something? Yeah, create video. That's what I'm missing. Okay, I think it loops back. Let's go for this. Yep, so you can just select the character. Okay, I wanted to select Chloe if I can find her again. I can't, unfortunately. So right here, gonna stay right here. Gonna go with Abigail. And you can choose the voice, so it's got a lot of voices. I'm gonna go for Melissa. She's favorite. Hi, let's talk about helping your tomatoes grow faster. Ready to use our supplement? Yeah, just basic stuff. Call it tomatola. Video dimension is landscape. I leave everything else to be. Click on generate video. So I think they will, it says video generation task created. And we had the document section. Let's see if we have any videos yet. It says there is no section for videos here. All right, so I guess, okay, video results. Here you can see video results if you click on this. So this is processing too. And text to video. Let's see if my older video is working yet. So it seems to be ready, 5 seconds. Let's try. We can see that's the tiger cub jumping into the cave. I think this is decent. Yeah. Decent start. Decent start. Nice. This went on well. All right, next. AI avatar. We've already seen that. We haven't seen the results yet, but like last time, we'll go into the results and see them in a bit. Okay. I think this is just lagging a little bit more than I expected. It's still processing. AI video image. Now, AI video image, does it mean image to video? Yeah, it does. So you've got all the AIs over here. You can put in the prompt, you can put in an image. I don't know if I have a decent image on my computer, but I can try. Somehow it's my computer that's working a little bit slower. Okay. I'll just go for this one. The background merges into a modern cityscape. So pretty much like earlier, you click on generate and then you wait for it because the background task runs and you will have to come back and check it later. We will. AI Photo Studio, let's check that out. So you've got all these functions: reimagine, same style image, erase object, in painting, out painting, search and replace, remove background, sketch to image, lots of different options, right? Reimagine. So I suppose you put an image over here, you upload an image, and then you ask the AI to redo a version, right? Something like that. Let's try that. Okay, let's use this. The same picture, but everyone is an alien. Let's see what happens. Click on generate. By the way, there is an advanced settings. I saw it in a couple more places too. You can put in a negative prompt, change the creativity toggle, control strength seed. Usually I would just leave all these things alone. Wow, look at this. Okay, very interesting. I can say that most of them definitely look like aliens. Then AI product photo, and I don't have a product shot, but you can upload your product photo, then you can change background, you can make a photograph like this one. Great for ads, great for websites. Face swap, you know what is face swap, right? You upload an image and you change the face of the person, you get a new face. I don't know if I have a decent picture to use in here. Let's try. This is just an experiment that I'm doing. I don't have front-facing pictures. I'll go for this one as picture one. And this, got to select the picture two. Slow computer. Let's go for this. I don't know what's gonna be the result. Swap faces. The reason I don't know why the result, because they're not facing the same way. It's a lot of text in here. The images are not really suitable for this, but we gotta check it out. Okay. Oh my God. This person actually has the face that I put in. Pretty decent work, right? I think the face swap features like bang on. Then you have AI voiceover. You can do text to speech. Put in your text like, hello, let's grow some giant tomatoes. You can select language. I want to go for English. English. Lots of different options in here. Okay, let's go for English Australia. Then you can choose voice, lots of different samples. I see the same guy over and over for a lot of places though. Maybe something needs to change. And let's click on listen. Somehow I can't hear it, so I don't know. Listen text, add pause, synthesize. I'm not so sure if it's done. Meanwhile, let's check out our AI avatar. We tried to create an avatar. Okay, so
Hello.
it's done. Okay, we'll check in a moment. Video results. So I think that's also done.
Hi. Let's talk about helping your tomatoes grow faster. Ready to use our supplement?
Check it out.
Hi. Let's talk about helping your tomatoes grow faster. Ready to use our supplement?
Okay, not bad, bro. Not bad. I think it uses Hagen in the backend, so that's a pretty good one because it said you uses Hagen. That's how I know it, right? Text to speech. We have the results right over here, or not? Yep.
Hello. Let's grow some giant tomatoes.
Very natural. You can also clone your voice, and it's got some. I mean, this is again a repeat of the same person. I don't know if how that is. I cannot do a voice cloning right now because I am making this audio, so the voice microphone is captured here. But you get the drift how it's gonna work. AI speech to text, AI chat, Sound Studio. So if I click on Sound Studio, what does it do? So Sound Studio can merge files and kind of drop your music file, upload music, view music file. Let's go for view music files. What we have? Okay, we don't have a music file yet. So you can merge files. You can change things. Like I have this audio over here. I don't know how to use this. Maybe it merges files. So I don't have a music file, so I can't get in there too. AI speech to text. So it will convert your audio to text. Okay, I better download that file if I can. Download. Yep. Now we will try it in the speech to text function and see how that works. Here we go. Now we actually have a file to work with. Lots of features in this app. You could spend a lot of time exploring it. Okay. And it will auto detect the language. It will transcribe. Click on transcribe and you should get the results shortly. Transcribing. It's a small file. I don't expect it to take too long. Hello, let's grow some giant tomatoes. That's exactly what I said. So that's perfectly fine. Then there is AI chat. So you can chat to specialists. You've got people like Gordon Ramsay, who's a chef. Yep, I've heard of him. Ejarpo, White Rabbit, Uma Thurman, and Uma Thurman is a motivational speaker. Socrates Jr., Jarvis, Maria Jobs, Levick, Jessica Chastain, Claudia Cherdak. So you can see every person has a specialty right below their name. Like Benjamin Affleck is the accountant, Erika is a novelist, Elizabeth is a nomist. I actually have no idea who a nomist is. I'm sure they're doing something great. Lots of AI image generator experts, stand-up comedians, Jimmy Carrey. All right. So you can talk to experts right here. Then you have AI music. I suppose you can generate music files. So you have these options, stable audio or Minimax. So down tempo beat for background. That's what I want to select. Total 10 seconds. Click on generate. Okay. I think it'll take a few seconds. Here we go. Let's listen to this. Or maybe it's not generated yet. Refresh. Down tempo. Not bad, not bad. You got AI vision. What does AI vision do? Let's check that out. So you can upload an image. Hold on. Let's go back. You can upload an image and ask it any question. So I'm going to upload an image first. Let's try to use this one. And ask it questions. So, yep, it's there now. What city is this photo taken? So this is an AI generated photo. I don't expect that it's set in a particular city, but this looks like a setting that could be based on something. So I don't know if AI can answer that, but if it was a real photograph, I think AI would be able to answer that. So it says it's a historic city with architectural features that are similar to European and older American cities with arched passageways, and style of the building could be like London or New York. So, you can't see any landmark. I told you it's AI, so it's interesting, but it did kind of assess exactly the theme and everything. So I think that's pretty neat. Then you have AI file chat. So this time it can talk to any kind of document. Let's see what we have. You have different AIs, like I told you about. All these AIs are here, and brand voice. But how do you upload the document? I'm not so sure. Okay, so you just upload it from here. So I'm going to put a text file. Okay, so you can download it from here, actually, not upload. It says type your message. So right here, right on the sidebar, upload document. I'm going to just take this tomato thing, save it. Okay, I'm just going to pick up a resume that I have earlier put up, and it's uploaded. What is the person trained to do? So I asked it about the resume, the person. So it says, if the person is trained in computer science, do they have any work experience? So you can ask anything about the document. It's gonna give you details about that, right? Pretty cool. You have got AI website chat. So this is going to help you chat with websites. So you can put in a URL like this, techniqueforce.com, and it's gonna pull that content in. It takes some time to analyze. Let's wait for it. Okay, so a website has been analyzed and I can ask a question. It's answering that now. Yep, even the name, perfect. You can also chat with YouTube videos. So I'm not gonna do this again. You know how it's gonna work. And you can turn RSS feeds. Yep, you can turn RSS feeds into articles. You've seen that kind of article rewriting, not a big deal. AI chat with images. We saw something like that with AI vision. Then you can generate code snippets in any language, in any programming language. You've got all these languages. And integrations, let's see what's there in integrations. Okay. You can connect your WordPress to this app. And what's going to happen is it will be able to publish your articles directly to WordPress, which is great. Then there is the voice oscillator, which is kind of like a AI voice cleaner. Upload your video, upload your audio, sorry, and it will just remove the background noise. So that's great. And you have the agency pack where you can create access for other people. That's also something you can do in this application. You can sell it. You can have up to 20 clients with the plan that I have now. And that's about the app. That's all about the app. That's all the functionality. Then you can see your subscription plans, billing plans. You can have team members access your account. Finally, you can change passwords and all with my account. So this was the entire app. You can see let lots of different features, like it's crazy. It's got nearly all the things that AI can do: videos, text, images, face swap, voice, music, everything, right? So that's what Workforce AI is. It's like a total compilation of every AI tool available, and you can use it to do every AI related functionality that you could think of. So if you like this app, again, remember, if you like this app and you want to buy it, make sure you get it from my link, because then I can give you Technique Force rewards and you can claim my software absolutely free of cost. So yes, I do have great software, great AI products too. If you go to my website, techniqueforce.com, you can see a list of all the products that I have. Amazing products. They are well maintained and created to perfection. And you can get them free when you buy other people's product through me. So I give you Technique Force reward points, and you can exchange the reward points to get my applications free of cost. So on that note, I will see you on the inside if you purchase this product. This is Cyril Gupta, your best friend in the business, signing off.